What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video presents you the LKminers. Okay, so what they do crypto mining. Essentially, that's that. How to get started with this project? All you got to do, click on the link in the description of this video. Okay, and then that will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you need to put your name, your last name, first name, last name, nickname, email address, and phone number, and that's it. Okay, so once you are in, it will take you to this front page. Okay, and over here is where you can find information about this project. Okay, and what they offer. Okay, advanced mining infrastructure, flexible mining options, data security, etc. Okay, we have an inbuilt calculator right here, and over here we can see the services that this project offers. Damn, I'm bad today. And scrolling further down, we can see that this project offers you three different plans. So we got the Bitcoin plan, Ethereum, and Lil Coin. So each plan will offer a different daily APR. So Bitcoin will offer you 4%, Ethereum 3%, Lil Coin 2%, and as you can see, each plan has a minimum investment and everything else is the same. Okay, Little Coin minimum investment is 500 bucks, Ethereum 1500 bucks, and Bitcoin 3500 bucks. Okay, so once you are up and running, okay, you come over here to home or plans, okay, and or dashboard, I shall say. So on the dashboard, we can see everything. We can see my stats. We can see my deposit right there and everything else. Okay, but I'm not rolling with the project because I decided to make a live video so you can see how everything works before you do your own thing. Okay, so first things first, you gotta fund this project. Okay, so you gotta add funds to this project in order to decide to select a plan. Okay, so you come over here and add fund. Damn, so you add fund, okay, and you can see right here we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USDT, USDT again. You got BNB and you got BUSD. Okay, so you select one of these coins that you decided to roll with. So for example, in my case, I chose USDT TRC20, and then you select the amount. So the minimum is 500 bucks. Okay, so for example, let's go, you want to deposit 500 bucks, 500 bucks, and then you hit next. Okay, so over here it shows a summary about what you're about to do. Okay, so you are happy with this amount, 500 bucks that you decided to pay, okay, into this project. Okay, and then you click pay now, and then once you go to pay now, you will see that there is a wallet address. So you will have to send funds to this wallet address. So you transfer or send 500 USDT TRC20 to this wallet right here. And then once the transaction is completed, all you got to do is copy and paste over here the transaction hash. So once you do that, you click confirm now, and then after a few minutes, your deposit will be confirmed, and you will have your funds available, and essentially will pop up like here, like you said right here, right? So once you got your funds available, you come over here to plan list. Okay, hit plan list, and we can see that we have three plans. But because I don't have this amount of money right here, okay, I can either go for this one or for this one. So in my case, I am gonna go for this one because 3% a day it's decent. Okay, so you click on this, select the plan that you want to roll with, and then you hit buy now. Okay, so once you hit buy now, it will tell you how much you're going to pay for the plan. Okay, and you can select the payment type. Okay, so you can pay via direct deposit or pay via deposit balance. So in my case, okay, deposit balance. So you hit pay now, and as you can see, plan has been purchased successfully. Okay, so that means I am in. So let's go back to my purchase log and let's see what's up. Over here we can see my plan. Okay, the price, total days, remaining days, and the status is active. Okay. Now, if you go over to the dashboard, we can see that my balance is gone. okay, and we have our plan right there, okay, boom. So essentially that's that. Over here we got the FAQs, so if you want to know more about the project and how everything works, you can find out the FAQs right here. So for example, when can I withdraw my profits, daily or weekly? Okay, so you can withdraw your profits daily from the wallets, okay, straight, so from the project straight to your wallets, okay. What else you want to know? What is the minimum plan for each plan? So what's the minimum amount you can withdraw? It's $10. Can I withdraw my investment? You can always withdraw your investment capital at the end of the contract duration. Okay, so everything that you might want to know, it's here. Okay, but still, if you got any questions, just pop in my Telegram group and ask as many questions as you want. Okay, they also have an inbuilt calculator right here. Okay, so for example, if you decided to roll with Bitcoin, okay, and you deposit 3.5K, right? So you'll make this amount of money per day. Okay, so Ethereum in my case, let's go, 45 bucks, and little coin, you get $10. Okay, $10 per day. Not bad, not bad. So if you multiply 10 bucks times 84, it's going to be 800 um 840 bucks. Okay, not bad at all. 840 bucks plus you get to take your capital out at the end of the plan. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. So today is my day 0. Okay, so in about 2-3 days I'll come over here and make an update video, and I will make a live withdrawal to show you how everything works. Okay, that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.